Working with the innovative SYSTEXX wall and ceiling fabrics without applying adhesive. A unique technology makes it possible, as SYSTEXX is already coated with adhesive. Activated with water, it can be hung after a much shorter period on the wall, work faster and easier. The AquaQuick device is easy to transport. The setup is simple. Before hanging the fabric, the wall or ceiling must be prepared according to the instructions, for example, with a primer. Only clear water is needed to activate the adhesive. The rollers must be completely covered with water. The lid doubles as a rolling assistant. Slide the fabric under the rollers and into the water with the glue side up. Move the stripper into place against the roll. The integrated counter makes the work easy. Pull the desired amount through and fold it upon itself. Then set the counter to 0 again. The adhesive needs approximately 1 minute to activate before attaching to the wall. For applications on ceilings, please allow 3 minutes. You can use this time to prepare more lengths. Attach the lengths as usual, just simpler and more comfortable than before. And to avoid waste, pull the last length 50 centimeters shorter through the machine, as that is exactly the length of the wall and ceiling strip in the bath. Then cut before the water bath. This way, you arrive at exactly the same wall height. With AquaQuick, you can finish on average 25 square meters per hour. Clean, simple, and without mistakes. The AquaQuick is also just as easily cleaned, packed and transported as it is set up. Simply open the drainage screw, move the scraper over the rollers to squeeze out water. Finally, tip the unit lightly so the remaining water can drain away. Then, replace the screw. Now remove the legs and place them inside the bath area. You can also store your tools here. Finished! It's as easy as that. And the AquaQuick is ready for its next job. For smaller jobs, there is also the entry-level model AquaQuick 2. You can work with this model just as easily and comfortably. Working with the innovative SYSTEXX by Vitrulan wall and ceiling fabrics with AquaQuick. Simple, fast, and with high efficiency. Good substrate preparation is important. Dusty or sandy substrates must be cleaned and primed. Very absorbent surfaces also need priming. Hydrophobic, in other words non-absorbent and extremely smooth substrates must be sanded. The ideal substrate is smooth, stable, and clean. Be sure to adhere to good painting practices. The markings on the back are a help if you're not using a meter counter, and also to prevent pasting the sheets upside down. Just align the sheets so that the distance between the markings on the back is always 1 meter. The colored thread of the edge alignment aid makes it easier for you to ensure the perfect continuation of the pattern. Designs upgraded with R-Factor are easy to apply. Proceed as follows. Cut the fabric along the corner and apply the first coat of paint. Leave it to dry, then sand the edges and apply the second coat of paint. For busy areas subject to considerable wear and tear, use corner beads. Level out the bead edges with filler, sand and prime. Start by hanging a length of fabric along the corner bead or cut it there. The application of SYSTEXX designs without R-Factor is even easier. You receive perfect outside corners if you sand the fabric along the edges using a 300 to 400 grit wet sandpaper. Then wrap it around the corner and press it firmly to remove any bubbles. Finished. Interior corners will turn out perfectly when you cut them, and there's almost no waste. And it's also easy to correct mistakes that are discovered later. Cut out the affected place, and then paste it on again. That's it. Changes often occur during everyday building work, whether for electrical outlets, wireless light switches, mailboxes, or radiator temperature sensors. If an area is cut out but not used after all, SYSTEXX makes it easy to use a piece that has already been discarded, because you can reactivate the adhesive. Pieces that are used again are absolutely invisible. Make work faster, more efficient, and cleaner with Aqua by Vitrulan.